Assalamu alaikum. This is our AI project, which is Urdu OCR to English translation. Here is our team, Laiba Seher and Fatma Safdar. First, I'm going to explain you the problem statement. Currently, there is no efficient tool available to automatically extract and translate Urdu text from images into English. Moreover, the lack of integrated solution that supports both typed Urdu text translation and OCR based images text extraction adds to the gap in accessibility. A solution is needed to provide an easy and efficient way to translate Urdu text into English, whether the text is in an image or typed input. Now I'm going to explain you some previous works. AI powered translation system exist, but few focus on Urdu to English translation. Projects like Google Translate offer languages translation but lack dedicated OCR for Urdu text extraction. In Pakistan, no AI based system efficiently translates Urdu text from images or typed input into English. Here is ML model to business model mapping. This is our baseline. Urdu, being the national language of Pakistan, is widely used, but efficient tools for translating Urdu text into English are unavailable. Existing methods are manual and time intensive. This project supports Pakistan's sustainable development tools by promoting linguistic inclusively, improving access to information, and enhancing digital literacy. Confidence threshold. This system ensures accurate and more efficient text detection compared to other systems, automates the process of text extraction and translation, significantly reducing user workload. False negatives versus false positive. First, I'm going to explain false negative and then false positive. False negatives. Failing to detect Urdu text in images or typed input can result in critical information being lost and translation become incomplete. False positive. Extracting irrelevant or extra text may lead to translating unwanted data, slightly reducing user experience. So, this is our methodology. First, we collect data from data sets and then we perform some extraction operation using PyTesseract, and then we train our model using sequence to sequence model, and this is our front end, back end, and post processing method, as you can see. Now I'm going to explain handling class imbalance. In our dataset, the number of clear and well structured Urdu text samples far exceeded those with complex or poorly written styles, resulting in class imbalance. Now I'm going to conclude my whole project. This project successfully addresses handwritten Urdu text recognition and translation into English using AI with PyTesseract for text extraction and custom trained model for translation. It supports multiple input methods and including image uploads, camera captures, and text input, ensuring user convenience. The integration with a web platform enhances workflow efficiently and allow for easy storage of translated content. Thank you.